Hello and welcome to this video on duplicate records in OVID. Depending on the type of research you are doing, you may need to know how many duplicate records there are, or you may want to delete straight away. If you are searching multiple databases together at the same time, you can use OVID's deduplication feature. For example, I could set my search to be run in both Medline and Embase at the same time. We can now see a deduplicate option just under our search history. This will appear as long as the results figure is under 6,000. Click on Deduplicate. Select which line you want to remove duplicates from, as well as your field preferences. Then click on Continue. We can now see that this has reduced our results from 679 to 420. The other option is to remove manually, which you can do from your saved folder. In my saved projects folder, I have results which I have saved from Medline and Embase. If I select to sort my results by name, any duplicate records will appear next to each other. We can see an example just here. I can then select which records I want to delete and click Remove at the top. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions on OVID, you can use the Help section just at the top here, or contact your site library.